Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Usually, it's the audible range. I don't want to use the mic. Might not be convenient for me. First of all, I have to thank the management inviting us for this program. As of 1 year, more than 1 year, we are in the same discussion. What can be the best thing we can provide to the school? And finally, this year, because of this good day, we are initiating this program. And here as few information I can easily see from your side. Curiosity. Sir, seeded the word curiosity. What is the meaning of words curiosity? Eager to learn. Eager to learn. I want to learn. I want to know something better. I want to have a clarity. That's called curiosity. Usually in our terms, in a scientific terms, they will say necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity. What is called necessity? Requirement. If I don't have any requirement, I will not learn at all. Keep it in mind. So a basic word is necessity. Should I learn? That's the first basic question. When I am learning, when you are learning, you will have a lot of questions. Each and every reading, you will have a lot of questions by yourself, and that should be clarified. At least you have to search good textbooks or through internet or through some gurus. You have to find out the solution. Until and unless you don't find it, then you cannot learn, and you cannot also invent. So a new invention only takes place by a starting point called curiosity. So here it is not like forcing you to learn. It is not like that. The NEET or IIT or JEE is it's a namesake examination. Keep it in mind. It's a namesake examination. It is only our personal development. Keep it in mind. It's only our personal development. We are improving ourselves. You could find that our APJ Abdul Kalam used to say, I am the last bench student, and because of my teacher only, I just developed like this. Somewhere else in Kanchipuram or Nagarkoil something, I am not very sure about his location. But see, he could able to serve the country in a better way. As a scientist, as an important politician, as a head of this country. So only one thing, the curiosity is very important. It is not this kind of gateway. I only have to travel through IIT or NEET or JEE like that. Simply, I can say, suppose you are learning 8th standard students, you are learning square root. Then immediately you have to ask the question, what is called square root? You know square root of 2 to the power 2. That means x squared, root x, x. 3 terms you can say. Then just the x term I just mentioned that as a 2. What is the difference between these 3? When you raise the question like that, automatically that becomes learning. The foundation is need not to memorize the thing. Keep it in mind, it's need not to memorize the thing. Each and every day, raise the question by yourself and try to solve it through your friends or through your teachers or through textbooks or through the present day updated version AI. So, this model of classroom coaching is always gives you a backup. A backup in the sense to excel in all kind of activities in your education. Not only through the NEET and IIT, JEE entrance examination, also for the board examination, how to crack it in the easiest way and simplest way. We will teach you in a simplest method. Whatever might be a toughest concept, suppose a biological term for cloning, we will teach you in the simplest way. We will not provide you a complex way of learning. Keep it in mind. Okay. Once you learn in the easiest way, the fear of examination will be completely eliminated and you can easily score good marks. That's the best process. Okay. Everyone can do that. First, keep it in mind, everyone can do that. Each and every student, you can score good marks. scoring good marks is otherwise called understanding it better. So we are here to eliminate this problem. Wherever you got learning difficulty, we will eliminate that and we will support you in a better way. Can you understand? And when we initiated one with the Gayatri Mantra, right? There was a slogan called Gayatri Mantra. How many of them know the meaning of Gayatri Mantra? Everyone is doing that. I am also following that, and there is no deviation from that. That is called as a religious attitude. You will follow it. Whoever the guru is whoever telling that point of thing, you will follow it. You will never ask any question. But in learning process, you have to ask question. Keep it in mind. And I used to say the Gayatri Mantra is, I am very much better in remembering that. Om Purvasvaga, Tatsavati Varenyam, Bhargo Devasati Mege, Devoyana Prasodya. Very good. But still now I am remembering, I am not deciphering it. What is it? Still now I don't know the meaning of that. But I love to chant that mantra. What is the meaning of that? You don't know, I don't know. Even some people might be knowing, but rarely knowing. That will be the correct point. Why I am informing there is this kind of point here is learning is also becoming like that. Becoming like that. You are not at all deciphering, revealing the points, and you are learning the point without knowing it, asking any question inside the classroom, making the classroom as a very much deaf and dumb classroom. You are not hearing it properly, you are not seeing it properly. So the classroom is like that. I always ask so many questions. But definitely my teacher will not withstand that much of pressure when I am asking. Continuously I am asking questions means what will happen? Teacher will run away from the classroom. Or else he will yell at you and he will try to distract you in different way. Mostly this will happen. But of course the teacher is also necessary that they should keep on update. Every day they should update. Every day they should update. Before entering the classroom, every day they should update. So here, this 1 year program, I will tell you very clearly, this will be the best role model program in and around Kanchipuram. Each and every day you take some message to your home. You will learn something from us. So sir is coming from Tirupati. I am coming from Chennai. And this district is, even I belong to the same district, but that end of the district I am travelling for more than 1.5 hours. I am travelling here. Only to see a vibrant students who can learn, ask so many questions. Only for those kind of students only we are travelling. Why we are travelling? Only for those kind of students who can ask better questions to us. Make us to learn once again. I could remember one 8th standard student asking me one question in chemistry. Long back. I am interested in teaching chemistry, biology, physics, mathematics, whichever I will teach. But when I am teaching, he was asking me a question. Suddenly he just started to ask a question in Mylapore, one of the institutions called KK Anand institutions. That is very famous. He is very famous. The person is handling like me, and he will handle all 3 subjects. He is from Pilani student. That students, how that the question raising power. I am asking about the question raising power. A carbon can bond with another carbon with a single bond. A carbon can bond with another carbon with a double bond, with a triple bond. Why not 4 bond? The 4th bond not in the syllabus. Only in the syllabus up to 3rd bond. 3 bonds can be shared. But as per the Lewis structure electron dot formula, there is a provision that it can also form a 4th bond. When he is asking question, I cannot answer it. I said immediately with my knowledge as per the current situation, there is no such kind of molecule existing like C2. H2 is existing, C2 is not existing. That is an immediate and instant answer from my side. Of course, C2 is not existing. H2 is existing. So question raising platform is very important. Keep it in mind. And I am still remembering that means he made me to think. The question from each and every one of you, that kind of, it might be silly question. I don't say don't ask. I always appreciate you. You have to ask question. Ask question, then get some information on daily basis. 8th standard is a basic platform. 9th and 10th is also another basic platform, and obviously 10th standard learning is different and scoring mark is different. Keep it in mind. In the society, will only appreciate you only you are scoring good marks. Your knowledge is only residing in your mind. That is not the output. That should be revealed only through the marks. Then writing practice is also required. Nowadays, most of them are not writing. I have to say, nobody is writing. Writing skill is very important because there is a coordination between hand and brain. That too, learning and writing in the early morning is very, very good. Specifically in the early morning, 4:30, 5 o'clock, and then definitely your aura will increase automatically. So a lot of things can be discussed. Okay, as it is a platform, our teachers and everyone should also discuss about this program. Only one thing I can say, as the management continuously putting effort to bring this school to the good, exceptional status in and around of this Kanchipuram. I also want to be the part of this team, and future 11th standard, I promised the management that there will be an IIT JEE integrated program. From here, the future doctors and future engineers will be generated. So that is the complete idea I can provide, and that is our wish also. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Thanks.